Hi, and welcome to Love Your Home, our renovation tip of the week brought to you by Multi-Trade Building Services. I'm Jackie Stezik, Project Manager and Marketing Director for Multi-Trade. Every week, we bring you a new tip about general renovations, kitchens, bathrooms, interior design, and more. This week, we're going to talk about refacing kitchen cabinets. Now, check out the picture that we have here. Although this was a brand new kitchen, we could have very easily just started with the shell cabinets and put new door and drawer fronts on it, and then lacquer finished any exposed surfaces with some new veneer. It's incredible what you can do when you reface cabinets. If your shell is in good condition, then refacing can be a good option. We often get a lot of our clients who have kitchens that look just like this one. They're made of wood, that typical honey oak that was popular in the late 80s and early 90s. And their cabinets are very, very solidly built. Perhaps the builder who built the home was a well-known builder and always did good quality cabinets. If you've taken care of the shell quite a bit over the years, then really all you need to do is to reface it by putting new door and drawer fronts on. Check out this kitchen. You would not believe that this was a dark espresso colored kitchen when it started out. It is not impossible to just use the existing shells and put new door fronts on and new drawer fronts on. Then all you need to do is reface with a new veneer on the sides where any exposed surfaces lie. You also have the rebanding of the edges of the cabinets. So even if you have a completely different color shell cabinet, for example, there's been times when we've had an ivory shell and then we're transforming it like this one into a white kitchen cabinet, all you need to do is reband the edges of those shells and you'd never know that it was a completely different color. The options really are limitless with something like this. However, I can't stress enough that you need to make sure that your shell cabinets are in good condition. We had one client who wanted to reface his cabinets, and just standing back and looking at the inside of his cabinet shelves, you could see that most of the shelves inside were swaying and drooping. And that's just from years of a lot of weight on those shelves. That was not a good place to start, and he eventually ended up deciding to do a new kitchen. But if your kitchen cabinets are in good condition, then definitely refacing is an option. And why not try and be creative? Explore some color options and bring some fun into the kitchen. Look at this fabulous teal colored kitchen. Now that could have easily started out as a white kitchen or a wood colored kitchen, and look at how much fun and interest you can bring into your kitchen. Don't be afraid. Try some creative, bold colors in your kitchen. If you're planning a kitchen renovation and you'd like to download our free kitchen budget planner, click the link in the description of this video to download your free kitchen budget planner today. Thanks for joining us today for your Love Your Home renovation tip of the week. You can contact us via email at info@multitradebuildingservices.com or by phone by calling 905-259-3344. You can find tons more information about renovations on our website at www.multitradebuildingservices.com. Just click on news to read all of my blog posts. Thanks again, and don't forget to come back next week where we can help you learn to love your home.